What if I told you that you can speak better English in just 7 days? No tutor, no studying, no pressure, and of course, you're not gonna do it alone. You're gonna do it with me. So, in case you miss a day or you forget, you can always come back to this video and get back on track. I know that fixing your English in just 7 days sounds impossible, but it is very much possible. In this challenge, we are gonna focus on three main skills: your listening skills, your speaking skills, and your vocabulary. So in the next 7 days, you're going to do exercises that are going to improve either your listening skills, your speaking skills, or your vocabulary. So that by the end of 7 days, you will have improved your English in these three areas: your listening skills, your speaking skills, and your vocabulary. In general, you will have fixed your English in just 7 days. Are you ready for this 7-day challenge to fix your English? Let us get started. So let's get to day one. This is what you're going to be doing in day one of this challenge. Day one, we're going to be focusing on listening. So I wanted to choose, or I wanted to download a 10-minute English video or a 10-minute English podcast. Literally just a 10-minute English something, English video, English movie, English clip, English podcast, a 10-minute English something. I want you to listen to that podcast, that video, the movie that you chose for 10 minutes, for 10 straight minutes. I want you to just listen. Don't do anything. Just listen to that podcast, listen to that video, listen to that clip. 10-minute English video. Listen to it. Listen to it in the morning, listen to it at lunchtime, and listen to it at night 3 times. Listen to it in the morning, listen to it at lunchtime, and listen to it at night 3 times. Listen to it 3 times in your first day. Just listen. Don't do anything. Just listen to it. This is going to help you absorb the language and make it more familiar to your ears. In order for you to speak in another language or to learn another language, you have to absorb that language as much as possible. So that's what we're doing here. You're absorbing the English as much as possible by listening to that 10-minute video or 10-minute podcast 3 times in a day, so you can absorb the English language. That is what you're going to be doing in day one, just listening to English. Let us move to day two. Day one, listen. Here's what you're going to do in day two. In day two, we are going to be focusing on vocabulary. So I want you to write every single word that you learned, every single new word that you learned in the previous video or the previous podcast or the previous 10-minute clip that you watched in day one. So I want you to write every new word that you learned from that video, from that podcast, or from that clip. Write every new word that you learned. Look for the meaning in the dictionary and write the meaning. I want you to use the new word that you learned to construct at least 2 sentences each. 2 sentences each, right? Construct at least 2 sentences from the new words that you learned. Vocabulary. This is going to improve your English. Vocabulary. Day one, listen. Day two, vocabulary. Write every new word that you learned and write 2 sentences for each word. Let us move to day three. Here's what you're going to do in day three. You are going to do mirror talk. We are going to be focusing on your speaking skills. Mirror talk. And what I mean by mirror talk is literally self-explanatory. But what I mean by mirror talk is standing in front of a mirror, looking at yourself in the mirror and talking to yourself in English. If you don't have what to talk about in English, just talk about what you're wearing or talk about the parts of your body that you like. Ask yourself questions like, which part of my body do I like? Make sure you are talking in English and responding in English. What part of your body do you like? What kind of clothes am I wearing today? Or what type of clothes am I wearing today? Then describe the type of clothes that you're wearing. What am I going to do today? Then describe what you're going to do for the day. So that is what we call mirror talk. Just literally standing in front of a mirror and talking to yourself. Mirror talk. Ensure that you stretch your mouth muscles as much as possible. This will train your mouth muscles, and the more you stretch them, the more stronger they become, and the easier it becomes for you to speak in English. Day 4. So the first day, listening. The second day, vocabulary. Third day, mirror talk. So here's what you're gonna do in day 4. Day 4, you are going to be constructing simple sentences. Simple English sentences. Simple English sentences. This is also going to help your speaking skills. Remember, for you to learn English, for you to fix your English, you have to speak it. You have to speak it. So that is why in day 4, you are going to be constructing simple English sentences. Simple English sentences. I want you to do this throughout your day. This is a speaking practice. So let's say maybe you're going to eat. Instead of just going and sitting and starting to eat, say, I am going to eat. I am going to eat. A simple sentences. I am eating whatever you're eating, rice with soup, just say whatever you're eating. Construct a simple sentence. Whatever you're doing, try constructing an English sentence related to what you're doing. I am going out. I am walking. I am walking my dog. Let us move to day 5. Day 5. So here's what you're going to do on day 5. I want you to record a 5-minute video of yourself speaking in front of your phone camera or whatever camera that you have. Just record yourself speaking. Just do not prepare for it. Do not prepare for the video. Just press record and start talking. So here are the 5 things you're going to be answering. My name is blank and I am recording this video to blank. The second question you should answer is, what do you enjoy doing and why? The third question, who is your best friend and why? What is your favorite color and why? If you could be your opposite gender for a day, what would you do? So I want you to answer these 5 questions in this 5-minute video. Day 5, record a 5-minute video. And don't do anything to the video. After recording the video, just keep the video. Don't listen to it, don't view it, because I know you're going to be very judgmental. You're going to criticize yourself so harshly. So you better just record the 5-minute video and just keep it. Don't do anything to it for 24 hours, right? So day 6. In day 6, you're going to analyze your video. Analyze your video. Day 6, you're going to analyze the video that you recorded on day 5. The reason why you are keeping the video for 24 hours is because you're going to be much smarter, you're going to be more beautiful, you're going to be more linear with yourself, you're not going to be harsh on yourself. Here's how you're going to be analyzing the video. So I want you to just listen to the video for the first time. I want you to listen to the video without looking at it. Just listen to the video. Listen to how you're talking, listen to your pace, listen to your pronunciation. So after listening to the video, I want you to listen while you're watching the video. Listen while you're watching the video. And while you're doing it, I want you to write down the mistakes that you made, the words that you mispronounced, or anything that you did wrong in the video. And I also want you to analyze your tenses, your sentence structure, and your vocabulary. After you've noted down the mistakes that you made in the video, whether it's pronunciation, whether it's your tense, whether it's your sentence structure, I want you to make the correction. I want you to correct those mistakes. Correct those mistakes. And after correcting the mistakes, I want you to record the video again. Now correcting your mistakes from your previous video. Record the video again, but this time correct the mistakes you made in the previous video. Day 6, analyze the video, write down your mistakes, correct the mistake, and record another video. Alright? Day 7 and the final day of the challenge is to tell your friend a story in English. Tell a friend a story in English. It doesn't even matter if they don't understand English. Just tell them the story in English. Tell them the story in English. And the purpose of you telling them the story in English is not for them to criticize you. It's not for them to give you feedback. But it is for you to practice your speaking skills.